What do you need?
He needs you.
I need you.
Yeah, we need to raise. We need to raise the roof.
That was scary. What? Getting rained on now.
Isn't that wonderful?
Yeah, it happens. I don't even know if I have enough thatch to make the walls up high enough.
Yeah, there's better metal out here.
I think I have like 7.
Where's here?
The river?
Oh yeah. I told you I was getting some at the river. It's a little dangerous, that's all.
Like the river? They're like next to the base?
The river next to, between the base and the obelisk.
It's not that dangerous. So I've been gathering that.
Here, I'm just saying that there's a good chance. I mean, there's level 84 condos and stuff.
Oh yeah, if you go further up towards the obelisk, then yeah.
That's where all the good metal is.
That's true.
Exactly.
It's 'cause, like, this is the Carnos sense and they want it.
They're like, no, the metal's here. You know. Give me that white gold.
Yeah, they're trying to block you.
Wait, there's a mammoth saddle up here? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For what mammoth?
The one with pants.
Oh!
God, I never saw that one coming. Holy cow, man, I'm so shocked. Like,
Shazam!
like, zing.
We're
Lol.
stuck! We're fucking stuck!
Well, the good news is we won't need any stone for a while.
Right.
They're flint, we got
I put a lot,
300
I put a lot
flint on
of
me.
stone in there.
Yeah,
so.
keep all the flint. We need one. Every flint is an arrow.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna go.
Give me some fiber.
I'm gonna go track some Carnos down and
Fiber?
take them down. Who wants to join me?
There, okay. I'd come with you, but I can't. I don't have a raptor or anything.
You don't need a raptor.
Oh, look at this guy. Do you hear him?
While I hit it with
I would
trains.
go.
All I have to do is punch it? No, I think I'll
I
make
don't
a
have my
arrows,
raptor.
thank you.
Dude, then I'll give you some of my trink shots.
But I've already got some trink arrows.
Then
Oh
come
my
with
gosh.
me. Then what are you talking about?
On the raptor. What is your issue, little dick?
Grab it off the raptor.
Dude, then
Little
come with
dick.
me. Let's get it.
Shit, I'm going to, but
Did you, Chuck?
Wow.
What? I didn't grab nothing.
Off the raptor. Check the raptor.
Oh, okay. Alright, hold on. Let me put this down.
And you know, I'm freezing over here.
I found the level
That-
60
that-
pterodon. I want it.
The Carno
He just
that
pooped
killed
on
you.
me. He literally just pooped on me.
Carno that killed you is like surrounded by a scorpion and 2 velociraptors. So.
Wait, he's still in the area?
Oh yeah.
We're getting him, dude. That's the plan. He's a level 80 Carno.
That's it. I've got 7 trank arrows.
I have 9 or 10.
Oh well.
I have 10.
I'd rather make my saddle. I'll get another one later.
You get him down with that many trink shots?
How many do you have?
What
I
are,
have
you,
10.
what are you trying to get?
A level 80 something Carno.
Yeah, good luck.
Good luck.
Oh no, we got this.
You'll need probably 50 crank arrows. Just saying.
We'll see what happens.
We're a good scorpion.
50 trinkers?
Did that stutter?
Nah, I
If,
don't.
don't take Athena. There's no reason for Athena to die.
No, I stopped her. I put her.
No, like not shit that's out there. We'll just annihilate her.
Alright, well, let's try not to lose all the shit that's on me.
So,
It's on you.
what's the point of sleeping?
Oh, there's an...
What's this
Yeah.
fucking fast travel shit?
Fast travel just hits you. Fast travels you.
Maybe we should go for not a level 80 Carno, man.
That bed is just simply where you can
Well, that's
spawn
the
in.
only Carno I know.
Only thing I'm saying right now is that contained that level 8 Carno, but I hope you're not doing anything for the next 3 hours. Like building a base or no, nothing important.
But do you really think it's gonna take 50 arrows to tame it back?
We're gonna have to move bases to get mammoths because we're gonna have to. We probably will want to go over to our old base.
Let's see, are we talking about like the Hidden Oasis base, or we...
Yeah.
Place
Let's
rock.
see, we should have just spawned at North 2.
Problem was,
Why did you turn off the
you
light?
see all these dinosaurs that have their names around.
Well, that's right, there's no obelisk nearby, is there?
Exactly.
That's
Wait,
right.
Can you turn it daytime?
You try doing that naked.
Dark. Yeah, dark. Can you turn it daytime?
Yeah, dark. Hack the server, make it day.
No.
No, we don't need daytime. We're so close to an obelisk that there's light everywhere.
Yeah, no.
Well, not where I'm at. Bitchin' ass pitch dark.
Yeah, you see?
Use
He
a
has
torch.
problems. He doesn't have one.
Oh, he's gonna
Starving.
get himself an obelisk.
He doesn't have one.
Put
Where
some
did
food on that fire
Carno
burn.
Where not go?
I don't eat meat. I eat
Alright,
berries
be
so I
right back.
shit more.
Two raptors. You wanna try to
Yeah,
go with the
there's,
scorpion?
there's 2 raptors and a scorpion. Where's that damn Carno go? He's over here somewhere.
I'm a
You want-
vegetarian. so I
Would
like
you
to
rather
shit.
have a raptor?
I'd rather have a scorpion, honestly.
Did you have something sticking out of your back, dude?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think someone
but-
threw a fucking spear in my back.
I think you have something stuck on your. See that? There's something on
It's
your
a
back.
fucking
Dude.
spear!
Dude, there's something on
I
your
hate
back.
that they don't fight each other. It sucks.
Some
Oh,
in your
God.
chest.
This really does suck, man.
Put this in my chest, man. I don't understand.
I'm like dying over here, freezing to death.
Yeah, I just have fire in my hands. It's still not working. I'm still not hot enough.
Yeah.
This is not good enough, man. We need to make a fire fast.
Gotta be daytime.
Ooh! You hit the
I put so
raptor!
many
Did
rocks.
I?
Oh, it's
I
dead!
just need some stone. Give me a second. I'll get some stone.
Oh, you killed Grizzly's raptor. And then you shit in my house, you asshole.
Oh. Where did it go,
There we
actually?
go. I got the fire bit. Building
How
fire
can I
now.
remove this spear out
I
of my
do want that
chest?
scorpion, though.
Yeah, we need that scorpion.
Oh, I stole your meat.
You bastard!
Okay, I'll get attention right now.
I've got it burning right now. There we go. I'm still too cold here.
He sees me. He's coming for me. He's
Hey,
coming
what
in
did you
my
do?
direction. He's coming in my direction.
You grabbed the scorpion. Shit. He's got to get across over here.
I gotta have a fucking fire.
Oh, I got stuck in the water like a dumbass.
Yo,
this
you
is
gotta
good.
get out of the water.
I'm trying to get out of the water.
Before it drowns to death.
Where the fuck are all the damn dodo
I just
birds?
died.
Yeah, you can't get out. Shit.
Yeah, that was stupid. Man, I just lost all my shit too. Oh, God.
What about that raptor that I
Can the,
just
can the
gave you?
scorpion get out?
I died, dude.
No, the scorpion. The raptor's flying left behind. But where's the scorpion going?
No idea.
In the water? Is he drowning? Is that what's going on?
All I know is I'm gonna go find my shit.
If I find it first.
Suck at it.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Tell you where my shit's at. It's over there by the megalodons. Fucking
Technically,
bastard.
it's
doing
probably already gone. Just so you know.
Yeah, probably. You probably ate it.
What are you doing? Trying to get warm?
Oh, I'm missing raptors, man.
Dark stolen.
We've got Curly down here.
Yeah, I brought Curly back.
This is bullshit.
Microphone muted.
I can't ever find any fucking dodo birds.
I killed him.
You gonna tame yourself an army of dodo birds?
No, I just need some damn hide.
That's it. Army of dodo birds laying eggs all day long. We have more food than we ever need.
Dude, I can't find this waterfall. I don't know where my shit is.
What do you mean you can't find a waterfall? There's...
I don't know where we were, man.
God, you high or something?
No.
Hey, don't be chasing waterfalls.
Are you on drugs?
Microphone activated.
Well, I've got 10 metal ingots.
I'm missing a raptor.
Shit! I got ADD tonight. Let me bring that fucking
Yeah, there's
metal
a
dude.
honey claws over here hanging out in that gorge.
Yeah, just go throw it in the forge and turn it on.
He's following me now. I'll bring him back.
Okay.
I blame Dark. He was fucking throwing spears in my back.
Come on, honey claws. Let's go.
We're halfway there to get the saddle made, the saber.
Do you want to fly over to me and grab? I got 11 pieces of metal.
How many?
11,
I'll be right there.
12 now.
You at the base or at the top?
Just fly along the water. You'll find me.
Oh, no, it's over here.
I just got another piece of metal too.
What I'm talking about.
Come on.
Okay, I got my stuff back, or it looks like most of it at least. I'm coming back up to get that scorpion with you, man.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I'm just gonna hover above you. You can put it in him. Give me a half a second.
Put it in him.
Mm-hmm.
You just stand still.
Just stand still and let him put him in him.
Crash, I need a dino to go kill stuff for hides. Can you take one of them?
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
I just went and got a bunch of hides. You can
There's a
grab
fire
them all.
over here.
There's a fire up there. Is where I put it.
Oh.
Take your motor back.
Much on
Who
that.
has the other metal that I need to pick up?
Got 84.
Yo. Who has the other metal? That's all.
Not me.
Who had ADD?
Sorry, I was grabbing a drink. And I'm headed that way.
I can pick it up from you. Where are you?
South of the main base.
Okay. Are you on the river? or-
I'm along the shore. I am 60, 82. You'll see a two-story thatchet that's on
Thatchet?
fire. Thatchet!
That's on fire. I love it.
Is that a fat hatchet?
In your ass.
So there is a fire lit, right?
Yeah, I'm getting there. It's about to be.
H-Hawk, right?
See, senor.
Alright, I'm above your house.
Right, mandatory protocol. Gotta get butt naked and lay down.
Alright, you can just look at the bird, press F, and then you can transfer it into him.
Put it in. Put it in.
Thank you, sir.
Fuck me. I got a dillo on me. You come over here and kill it.
There you go.
Gosh.
Appreciate
Where
it.
are you?
Look around. Oh, there's two of them now. Shit.
Dark, you gonna come back and get this meat?
Nope, it's all yours.
That's delicious. Dark gave me all his meat.
Baby.
Don't mess really be friends.
I'm stealing Chompy because I need to get more hides.
No, like who got more from that? Why did you do that?
No, I wanted it to hide.
We could have gotten more hide from it, dog.
I know.
Here's
Why the hell did you do it?
Because I wanted to.
Your
Hey,
answer is childish.
Try to hit this, hit these rocks. Try to see if we can get some metal from them.
No, they got the metal taken care of. Well,
Pressure?
I don't have my metal pickaxe on me.
Pressure.
Well,
Oh, I just got metal.
You have any narcotic arrows?
no. Why?
There's a level 6 Paradom that I want really bad flying around in front of our base.
I got